I have a peach tree and a cherry tree suffering from gummosis. I first noticed the problem when I saw the leaves on this branch start turning yellow. This branch is an excellent example of what is called flagging. If you notice a branch or two turning yellow when it's not fall, those branches are flagging you down to tell you that you have a problem that could spread to the rest of the tree. Do not ignore flagging branches. I've seen a lot of different insect and disease problems cause flagging. Any branch that is turning fall color when it's not fall should be inspected for problems. Anyway, this flagging branch caused me to inspect this peach tree. That's when I noticed the trunk was bleeding gumming sap in a lot of locations. Actually, gummosis is a symptom and not the cause of the problem, just like bleeding is a symptom of a cut and not the cause of the cut. Trees can have gummosis due to environmental stress, injury to the trunk, insect damage, and fungal diseases. Depending on the cause, the tree could die. The two most common reasons peach trees bleed sap are the two types of peach tree borers and fungal diseases. The common peach tree borer attacks the trunk, while the lesser peach tree borer attacks branches. There will be a ball of sap where the borer has gone in and the tree is trying to drown that insect with the sap. Two fungi that used to be in the Cytospora genus that are now classified as Leucostoma genus are common on stone fruits like peaches, cherries, and plums, and may attack apples and other landscape trees. The gummy sap that is produced by the tree is a reaction to the insect or fungus. The gums can drown or smother the borer, and the gums wall off section of the trunk or branch to prevent the fungus from spreading. If the gums are produced all the way around the trunk, the tree can die. If borers are the problem, the tree will bleed sap at the location of the borer or borers. If the problem is a disease, the sap will be bleeding in more than one location. If the problem is environmental stress, the sap will be bleeding in a lot of locations. How do you take care of a tree with gummosis? If possible, determine why the tree is bleeding so much sap. If it's a borer, it may be possible to insert a wire in the hole to kill the borer. In any case, first start by keeping the tree healthy. Water it when the weather is dry. Fertilize in late winter or early spring to promote growth in the summer. Make good pruning cuts and do not prune in wet weather. If you need to remove infected branches, sterilize your pruner with rubbing alcohol between cuts. Protect the tree trunk from borers and rodents by wrapping the trunk or spraying insecticides on the trunk. Make sure the soil drains well so the roots stay healthy. Use fungicide sprays such as Captan or lime sulfur, which is also called the Bordeaux mixture. Pruning cuts can be treated with fungicides to help stop the disease spores from entering the tree when you do the pruning cuts. Once you notice the tree has gummosis, pay attention to the tree to make sure it doesn't have other problems and treat them when they do arise. And this is Jeff with a Greener View. Thanks for watching.